Are you looking for a way to win more deals without having to negotiate on price? If so, good. You shouldn't be negotiating on price alone. When a prospect says it's too expensive, do not, I repeat, do not defend your price. Instead, try this. Simply shift your tonality to something more of curiosity and just simply say, okay. I understand you feel like it might be a little too expensive, but compared to what? What are you comparing this to? Just help me understand. When you shift into that language and dialogue, it suddenly becomes a conversation on all of the other things that go into the factor of price and where they're getting their pricing information from. This forces them to reveal their true objection, whether it's budget, logistics, timing, other factors from the leadership team, whatever that is. So once they respond to that, then simply use the impact method. Validate their concern, ask something along the lines of, well, if we could solve that, would it even be a fit? And then offer a tailored solution, not a discount. Comment negotiate if you want more scripts like this.